the highest mountain summit to the depths of rolling seas, your majesty is written in everything we see. The sun, the moon, the stars above declare your holy name. All creation bows before you, forever just the same. Makuru, mabasa, English, great are your works, oh Lord. Makuru, mabasa, enyu, we worship and adore. You parted seas and raised the dead, your miracles remain, your power moves through every age, your truth will never change. We lift our hands in reverence, we shout with joyful praise, for you alone are mighty, worthy of all our days.
Mwari wetu anesimba, hakuna kafanana naye. Sitarenyura kakwirira, rinopfura mamwe ose. Makuru, mabasa.